introducing a simple change to my daily routine that had an incredible impact on my health, drinking 1 cup of hibiscus tea every day. This vibrant, ruby-red beverage is not just pleasing to the eye and palate, it's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that have been transformative. Firstly, I noticed a significant improvement in my blood pressure. Hibiscus tea is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits, including its ability to lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. My digestion has also seen a positive change. Hibiscus tea offers gentle relief from constipation and bloating, enhancing digestive well-being. Plus, its diuretic properties help rid the body of excess sodium and fluids, making it a great choice for detoxification. Another surprising benefit was in my skin's appearance. The high antioxidant content in hibiscus tea fights free radicals, leading to a more radiant, youthful complexion. Lastly, the calming effects of this herbal tea have helped reduce stress and improve my sleep quality, rounding out a multitude of benefits from this single daily habit. For more insights into the transformative power of simple health habits and natural remedies, make sure to subscribe and visit our main channel. Let's embark on a journey to optimal health together.